Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool right here, and pretty much what this is a USB-C wall charger. If you can see for the one that we got right here from a brand called UGREEN. And for this one in particular, you can see there's two USB-C options. So the power that's on here is 45 watts, and it does have a GaN technology on here to give you guys a fast charging speed at a safe speed, and also give you guys a protection built in. And because the product has a GaN technology, it allows the charger to be much smaller than your regular chargers, which is really cool. So this is what the package looks like when you guys do get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys open up, inside right here, you can see we do have the product. If you guys do take it out, once you guys do take it out, you can see at the very bottom, they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And there's no cables included inside, just the user manual and the product. So if you guys do take it out, once you guys do take it out, you can see right here, we do have the brand name. That part right here, we do have a photo plug. If you guys push it down, that is what the product looks like. If you guys push it back up, that is what the product looks like. If you guys turn to the front, here's what the product looks like in the front. So you see on here, they mentioned how you guys can use it for a laptop or you can use it for your phone. If you guys use it for your laptop, it's probably better for you guys to use it for a MacBook Air. If you guys use it for a MacBook Pro, it may not be enough power since it's only 45 watts max. But when you guys look at the design of the product, it actually looks pretty nice. And when you guys do feel it, it actually feels super lightweight as well. And it's really small and compact for you guys to bring along when you guys are traveling or something. And for this product, they mentioned if you guys do have a Samsung phone, if you guys use the correct cable, it will give you guys a super fast charging speed, which is really nice. So pretty much when you guys plug in one cable at a time, it will give you guys 45 watts max. But if you guys plug in two devices at the same time, it will split between 20 to 25 or 25 and 20. And obviously, in order for you to get the faster charging speed on here, your percentage on your device need to be pretty low. Pretty much the lower it is, the faster it can charge. But once it reaches like 80% or any higher than that, it will slow down the charge. So that is everything that's on the product. Now let's test it out to show you guys how it works and where it works. So first thing I want to do is to plug it in. We're going to plug it right here. Once you guys plug it in, you guys want to plug in cable. And since I am testing the power that's on here, I'm going to use this tester that we do have. So let's do plug it in. Other side we'll plug our USB-C cable. Once we got it plugged in, the other side we'll plug it onto my laptop. So right here I do have my MacBook Air. If you guys do plug it in, this starts charging. So you see when we're charging the laptop, that is how much power that's being generated on here. So it definitely does work. But let's calculate how much watts is on here. So when we actually calculate it, this is how much power that's being generated. So right now it's producing 42 or 43 watts when I'm using it. But now I'm actually plug another cable to see what happens when we do plug in two devices at a time. So the other one will plug it right here. And for this side, we'll plug it onto a phone. Let me see if it does work. And when you guys look at the new numbers, now it's at 12.06V and 2A. So I do calculate it. This is how much power that's being generated onto the laptop now, which is around 24 or 25 watts. Just like what I mentioned earlier, when you guys plug in two devices, one will be 20 watts and the other one will be 25. Since the laptop requires a lot more power, it will use 25. So it's very close eventually, which is 24 watts. So I can see the product definitely does work when you guys do use it. It gives you guys the power dimensions or very close to that amount, which is around like 42 to 43 instead of 45. And when you guys plug in two things, you guys get 24 and 20. So I can see the product definitely does work when you guys do use it. So that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this part, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. If you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality wall charger that give you guys the USB-C option, the GaN technology, and also the super fast charging option for Samsung device, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.